Hi, hello everyone. My name is Mimi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a technique for applying foundation. This technique is specifically for heavier foundations and it will allow you to apply the foundation and still have your skin look like skin so that the foundation isn't thick or cakey or heavy on your face. The best way that you can age yourself is through makeup, and specifically wearing too much. So this is a technique that I haven't tried before. I'm going to be trying it right along with you in this video for the very first time. So for this technique, you're going to need a paddle foundation brush and a wet beauty blender sponge. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your foundation and put it on a palette or the back of your hand. I like to use the back of my hand. Feeling this isn't coming out. There we go. All right, now I've got my mirror and you're going to take your, let me show you, your brush and apply the makeup to your brush, and then you're going to take the makeup and you're going to start in the big sections of your face. So here, now this foundation dries quickly, so I'm going to go straight in with my sponge and blend this out. Now this gives a really thin layer that adheres really well to your skin, and the damp sponge shears this out. So it's more this part of my face here. It will also hide the strokes from the paddle brush. Now I'm only going to do one half of my face on camera for you, so this video isn't long. And then your forehead, like this. This down. And again, that's how you do the whole face, just like that. And of course your chin. I'm not going to do my chin. I'm just going to use what's left on this side, go over my eyelid. I always do this and under, just to blend things in. This technique allows you to have the heaviest part of your foundation on the largest part of your face, here. So it shears it back towards your hairline and then shears it back to the front of your face. It also does the same thing. It's just a very thin layer and it allows you to layer it up. So I will be back in a second to show you what the completed look looks like. This is before and this is after, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the completed look after I've applied the foundation with that technique, and it is very smooth, very pretty, and very thin layer. It's so nice. This allows your skin to look like skin. There's still some places I have to conceal with concealers and dark blemishes, but overall it really evened out my complexion and made it look really good, and it's super easy. There's no brush strokes, there's no emphasis in texture. It's just really nice. Get this into my hairline. It's really good. I highly recommend that technique for applying foundation because it's so much easier than using your fingers and less messy, and it will also prevent you from, if you have oily skin or combination skin, from mixing your finger oils, your skin oils into that makeup and introducing another item that could cause your foundation to oxidize and become greasy. So if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you don't, give it a thumbs down and tell me how I can improve. I'd love to hear from you. My name's Mimi. I'm your 40-plus-year-old not makeup guru who likes to teach you a thing or two that I've learned over the years. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.